Hi, this is Teresa at the Idaho State Tax Commission here with our Tuesday Tax FAQs. Our question this week is, how do I file separately from my spouse? The first thing to know is that Idaho is a community property state. That would mean that both spouses have claim to 50% of the total earnings and purchases. Earnings would be like the income you receive from a job. Purchases could include things like the purchase of a home or maybe a vehicle. There are some exceptions to what's considered community property in Idaho. To look through these exceptions, you can always go to our website, tax.idaho.gov. You'll want to find the Income Tax Hub, and you'll look for community property. Here there will be more details for you. Now, when it comes to your Idaho state income taxes, community property will mean that you're going to total all of the income you've both made together, and then you'll divide that amount by 2. This will be the income reported on your return. If one spouse chooses to file married filing separately, then the other spouse must also file. If you decide to file married filing separately, then the deductions you choose have to match. You must either both choose the itemized deductions or both choose the standard deduction. Now, when you move on to the forms, both your federal and state forms are going to have the option married filing separately selected. When you move to your Idaho Form 40, both spouses' returns are going to look almost identical. But the federal does not follow community property, so spouses' forms are going to look different. When choosing married filing separately, some deductions will become limited, or you just won't be allowed to use them. If you've gotten married or moved partway through the year and are interested in filing separately, you may want to consult an accountant because not every state follows community property requirements. It's really important to make sure you do your research before you decide to file married filing separately to be sure it's going to work out in your favor. Thanks for listening to our Tuesday Tax FAQs. We'll be back next week answering another question for you. If you have any questions you just can't find the answer to online, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel for other FAQs videos or give us a call and we can help you out.